ID is 19029735. Today my question will be more on bond valuation in the tutorial 5, which is the tutorial 5. So let me introduce first the notation that we use to calculate the question. The first one is P. P is the price for a bond, for price paid for a bond. Means when we buy a bond from a company, the price we pay to them lah. And then the second one is F. F is the face amount which is printed on the certificate. It's also called as par value, the amount that we will get during the year of maturity. Means the company will pay back to us lah when the bond matured. And then the third one is C. C is the redemption value of a bond. Is usually same as F. When the question not mentioned, it is greater or smaller than the F, we will just use F equal to C. And then the R, the next one is R. It is the effective interest rate per coupon payment. It is used to calculate the coupon payment. So when we buy the bond, the company, when we will not only get the par value, we will also get coupon payment during maybe half a year or maybe one year one time. And then we will also get the par value after the year of maturity. When during the year of maturity, we will still get the par value, and then during the meantime, we will also get the coupon payment. And then R is to use to calculate the coupon payment. Like for example, F times R will be the amount of the coupon payment lah. And then the next one is N, the number of coupon payment period from start until end. The N is basically the number of the coupon payment that we get during the period of when we holding the bond. And then I is the interest rate to calculate the bond. Calculate the present value or future value of the bond. And then here we got 2G. One is big G and then the other one is small g. The big G is the amount of the coupon rate divided by the I. I is the interest rate to calculate the bond. And then the small g is FR divided by C. FR is the coupon rate, the amount of coupon rate, and then divide the redemption value. Question 1. So when we see question like this, we always write out all the notation first, so it is easier for the calculation. The first one is F. F is the par value. So we write 100 here. C is the redemption value, 110. So we write 110. R is the interest rate to calculate the coupon payment. It is here 8% and then semi-annually. Remember to either divide 2 or 4. Depends on the question. So this is semi-annually, so 8% divided by 2, 0.04. I is the interest rate to calculate the bond, 6% semi-annually, divided by 2, 0.03. N is the number of the times, is the times that we will get the coupon amount, the coupon amount, the number of coupon amount that we will get. So 15 years and then paid semi-annually, so 15 times 2, so N is 30. For K is the present value of the redemption amount. So the formula for K is C, B, and 1. So substitute the figure into the equation, will become, the answer will be, the value of K is 45.3185435. G, the big G is FR divided by I. So 4 divided by 0.03 equals to 400 divided by 3. Small g is FR divided by C. So it is 4/110. The question requires us to find the price, which is the P, and then using all the 4 formulas. So these are all the 4 formulas. The first one is basic formula. The formula for this is price equals to FR times A plus the present value of the redemption value. So we plug in all the figures inside, we will get P equals to RM123.72. And then the second one is premium or discount formula. The formula for this is P equals to C plus. And then also we plug in all the figures inside, we will get the same amount, 123.72. The third one, base amount formula. The formula for this is price equals to big G plus C minus big G. Also, we will also get the same amount. The fourth one is Mechanism's formula. The formula for this is price equals to also we will get price, we will get P equals to. So no matter which type of formula we use, we will always get the same answer, but depends on the information that the question give. See which one is more easier to use, is more suitable to use. Question number 2. A 10-year bond with coupon 6% convertible quarterly. 6% quarterly, so we get the R. R is 6 divided by 4, so it's 1.5%. And then we also get the N. 10 years quarterly 40. Also get the C. C equals to 1500 redemption value. And then we also get the I. 8% quarterly. I is 2%. And then we have the P, the price, purchase price, 940. So by using all the information given, we need to choose which formula is the most suitable. We can get the par value F. We need to calculate F. So the basic formula, we can use the basic formula. The basic formula is price equals to par value. Okay, so we substitute in all the figures inside. Plus 1005. So we can get F is equals to 538.74. The question wants us to find the price of the bond if the interests are different, increase from 8 to 10. So we calculate, so we have all the information. We have this and we have the P. So we want to find the other P. So we calculate the C first and then we recalculate back using this to calculate the second price, the price which have the 10% interest. So we write down F equals to 1000 and then R is 5% because 10% is 10% semi-annually. And then we have the N. N is 10 times 2, 20. And then we have the I. The first I is 8% semi-annually, so is 4%. And then the P is 1432.45. We calculate by using the basic formula. We can get the C or maybe we plug in all the formula to this formula, plug in all the information to this formula. And then we can get C is 1649.77, and then the question wants us to find the P, the different P with the different I. So we use I equals to 5% because 10 semi-annually. So also we plug in all the figures to this formula, then you can get this. The P will be 1,244.89 cents. This is the second P. Number 4, we can do the same, write down all the information first. F equals to 800 par value, and then R equals to 8% semi-annually, 0.04. N equals to 5 times semi-annually, 10. And then price is P equals to 77060. And then we have the different thing is the present value of the redemption value. It is K 555.8. Calculate the redemption value. So the missing figure is, the missing notation is I, and then we need to find C. So this CI is actually inside the K. K is actually C, B, and I. So we can calculate C and I using the basic formula also. So we plug in all the formula to the basic formula first. All the figures to the basic formula. So we can get, by using this formula, we can get I is equals to 0.08, and then we plug in to this C, B, then I equals to, this is actually 0.08. So C will be 1. So C will be 1,002.13 cents. This is the redemption value. Question number 6. This question has 2 bonds to calculate. So, and the only thing different is the R. This is 4%, and then this is 8%, and then all the other things are equals. So maybe we can write like this. This is, the first one is F. F is the par value, 100. And then since the C, the redemption value is not stated, so we can take C equals to F. And then N is not given, so we can leave it like this. And I is 6% convertibly semi-annual, so it's 0.03. R. Okay, this is the only difference. The first bond is 8% semi-annually, so it's 8 divided by 2. And then the second one is 4 divided by 2, 0.02. And the final thing is P. The price of the first bond is given, 110, is purchased at 110. And then we need to calculate the price of the second bond. Okay, so since F is equals to C, so is it is more suitable to use the second formula, which is the premium or discount formula, because the formula is, this is the formula. So if f is equal to c, so we can factorize it out, and then we can put a c here, and then we cancel this, so it is more easier to calculate. So we plug in all the figures inside. For bond 1, the price is 110 equals to 100 plus 100. And we can get A equals to 10. We do not need to find out the n here, because the n for two bonds are equal, so we can just use all this, and then the I is also equal, so we can just use this notation to calculate the bond 2, the price of bond 2. So bond 2 P equals to 100 plus 100, 0.02 minus 0.03 A. So the P will be 90. This is the P, the price of the second bond. Thank you very much.